What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, class will be in session today, so stick with me until the end of this video so that you can get the lesson as well as the message. Okay, listen, guys, today we're going to kick it off overviewing a few stocks and how they did this past month, and then we're going to dive into some things I want you guys to be on the lookout for when we get done with this 3-day weekend. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, we wanted to start the month off with a bang, and we did just that. Again, making sure that we're taking high quality and high probability trade setups. Okay, in this particular play, guys, all I was simply looking for was the fact that Apple has a gap fill at 190. So whether it gets to 190 or not, I know it's going to make its way towards 190. So down at 185, 186, 187, simply riding it up towards the gap fill. And the beauty about options, guys, is you make money as long as the stock is headed in the direction in which you chose. So in this case, I was thinking a call. A call means that the stock price is going to go up. And sure enough, Apple made its way towards 187, 188, 189. And as a result, your boy was able to profit and eat really, really good to start the month of September off, okay? Major salute to those of you that did your thing this week as well, regardless of what plays it was in. Let's continue to do that this upcoming week to kick off the brand new month. Okay, guys, let's review a few stocks. I want to take a look at Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, otherwise known as Alphabet Class A, sitting at 135.38. It was flat on the day. Check this out, but in the past week it was up 4%, a little over 4%. Okay, the lows down here was at 130. The highs, we had one here at 136. We had another one here at 137. I foresee this stock headed to 150 in the next 3 to 6 months. Guys, it can get there sooner, but you always want to give yourself time and grace for the stock to fluctuate from an up and down perspective. On the past month, okay, that's what we want to look at. How did it do in the month of August? It was up over 4%. Phenomenal job. This is a play that I put 20,000 in back under 120, and I'm loving the results so far, guys. Major salute to those of you that are in this. Consider this. We got a lot more room to run as we head towards 150, okay? Check this one out, guys. Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, sitting at 189.20. This one has been a money maker. It is en route to try to fill the gap at that 190, 191-ish level, guys. If we can achieve that, that opens the door for 193. But on the week, this one was up nearly 6%, almost $10. Okay, coming from way down here, 178. This is what I mean, guys. It was just a play that you can just ride up because it was headed in a consistent direction the entire week, okay? It cleared key levels of 180. It cleared the level of 183. Those things open the door for the move we are seeing now. And hopefully we get some continuation into next week. And then we touch and test that 190 level, maybe even higher, guys. Don't get greedy on me, though. Let's just make our money. And check it out, for the month, we're down almost 2.5%. So remember, we are trying to make up for the drop we had. This drop was earnings, okay? We were sitting way up here. This is why we going back to these levels I'm teaching you guys, okay? We were here. Earnings came out, and then they dropped us from the 192, 191 level all the way down here to 178. We just came off 178 this week and went up $10 to 188, 189, okay? We fell all the way as low as 173, and we caught a bid and recaptured 180 from there. That was already a crazy move. We went down to retest support at 175, and we bounced off that, and we've been up and rocking and rolling ever since. Again, guys, we're en route to 190, but listen, when they get there, they can quickly test it and spike it and then knock it down. They can let us get there and hold it for a day or two. Don't overstay your welcome if you are making money with me in this particular play, okay? But this one is down, but almost back to break even in the past month, okay? And then the SQQQ, okay? This is nothing more than how I choose and I like to hedge my account, okay? And with this one, it's sitting at 1778 at the time of this recording. I want all of you to consider hedging your accounts as well. Learning to be diversified in your mixture of investments you hold in your portfolio. This is one great way to do it as a hedge for when the stock market goes down, this will go up. Over the past week, this one was down because the market has been up, okay? And so look at this, came from around $19, $20. I like to lock in profit when it gets too high because you can see the transitions come clearly, all right? It came all the way down from 19 to a low of 17, that was 11, almost 12% that it came down. But look at this, in the past month, it went from the $17 level all the way up here. It was up 19% at one point in this particular month. And that's what I want you guys to be part of, okay, when you are doing this, because you're gonna see, oh my God. And I made a killing in this during the part of the month when this was up, because they try to take the market down at the beginning of August, and then this benefited from that. And I want you guys to be prepared if this happens again in September, okay, or whenever it happens, okay? It's just about investing properly and having the right mixture in your portfolio, all right? And that takes me to SoFi, guys. Ticker symbol SOFI, up 1.5% today at $8.85. On the week, it is up 6%. And in the past month, though, it was down 13%. So you see this balance. Look at this. If you had SQQQ, you're up 20%. And then while this play was down. So you can kind of balance that out or equal that out so that you don't take such a hit to your portfolio, because as I'm showing you, stocks will go down. And when that happens, the SQQ will go up. But I'm making this video today because SoFi is about to explode. We got student loans that's going to be resuming. We got a lot of catalysts on the horizon for this stock from a technical standpoint to begin to make its way back towards $9, okay? Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, today's lesson is on the one-day chart. I want to call your attention to these levels that we are closing at, 187, 879 and 882 in after hours. But check this out, guys. Look at the move here. We came up, we rolled this 13 up to this level, and then that was the height of that right there. That's called resistance, and when we got to $11. Ever since we touched that level, we came down. So the stock came down, okay, towards support here. But watch what the 13 did. It crossed all the way down. But look at it curling back around. It is starting to begin to curl back around now. And if it can curl back to the upside, we have a major move on the horizon. Let me go ahead and show you guys this and clear this up just a tad bit so that you guys can begin to follow these indicators and these high quality and high probability trade setups, okay? Here we have a potential gap at this level right here, all right? So that's one area we're going to be looking to test when the stock goes up. But right here, we cross down, right here, we cross down, but we are making a base, okay? That is support. That is what that's operating as right now. If we can cross up and above, this can go from here, and look at that bull flag it's trying to make. They won't let it go in a straight line, but ideally, we would love to get here, to get back to this level, to close that gap, okay? That's a potential move. Now, mind you, the market can do whatever it chooses to do, but I always want you guys to trade with a plan, have a game plan in mind of how you want to make your money, okay? And then, guys, if you're wrong, that's okay. Stop losses protect you. That's why we use them, okay? And then you just simply pivot and then ride the market down to make money on the downside. Do not ever overcomplicate this game, guys. Do not ever overwhelm yourself with just trying to force a direction and it's not there. Follow the charts right now, okay? Right now we're sitting in the $8 range. potentially headed to $9, but let price action confirm it for you before you overshoot, before you overrun, before you get too anxious and ahead of yourself, okay? Listen guys, the name of the game is to make sure that you are taking high quality trade ideas and setups, and then your job is to execute at a high level. If you can do that, the wins will mount up slowly but surely. Remember, although we hit the home run, we're more concerned with the base hit, because those base hits add up. Those base hits leads to consistency in your trading journey, okay? And as I often say, when in doubt, sit it out. If you don't know what you're doing, if you haven't got one-on-one coaching, if you haven't invested in yourself to put the time in to learn versus maybe taking shortcuts thinking you're just gonna get lucky, guys, you don't want to be lucky. You want to be surgical. You want to be intentional. You want to know with certainty. I know the way that I come on and show up every day for you. I know each and every day I set out to make 1,000 or 2,000 a day at the very minimum, and I can do that consistently. You guys add that up and tell me what is that total each and every month. If you do that and you minimize your losses or don't have any losses at all, and you guys get to that level, it can change your life. And that's why I teach you guys this. That's why I show up each and every day, no matter if it's a holiday, no matter if it's a tornado, because I believe you guys need to learn this. And for those of you that do, I can guarantee your life will be the same, all right? With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.